Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw a 2-point perspective grid. So we've got an A2 piece of paper here, and I'm going to draw a line on the bottom of my paper first. So you need quite a long ruler for this. And then in the middle, I'm going to draw a line up. And this line is going to help determine our heights of our objects. So we're going to make a mark at 10 centimeters mark, and 20 and 30 centimeters. So this is going to be on our drawing 1 meter height, 2 meter height, and 3 meter height. Now the next thing is a little bit complicated, but these lines here, so we're going to divide this up into different spaces as well. This next spacing has to be the square root of 2. Now it doesn't matter if you don't understand that. I'm not going to even explain it because it's complicated. But the square root of 2 is 1.4. So when we translate that into the scale that we're using is 14 centimeters. So we're making this at 14 centimeters. We're making a little line there, and then again at 28 centimeters. So just do it like this. Okay. So there. Same thing on this side. And over here. Okay, very cool. Now we're going to also draw some vanishing points and our horizon line. So let's make our horizon line realistic. So let's make it at, let's say, 1 meter 60. That's kind of where a lot of people's eyes are. So this is the horizon line. Now if you want to make it really nice and straight, let's do that. Let's do it properly in 2 places here. So we can put our ruler in between. Okay. There's our horizon line. If you hear noise, it is my puppy trying to eat my chair. Okay. There you go, and then we're going to have our vanishing points on both ends there. Now, this is the next trick. We're going to take from that vanishing point, we're going to the middle of our drawing. There. But we're also going to go to the next line. And to the next one, and I don't have a ruler big enough, so let's do it like this. Okay, and then we have to do the same thing on the other side. And I'll use this little trick again. We actually only have to go to this line. There. We can get rid of all these bits. Okay. Now this grid is not big enough. We're going to make a 5 by 5 grid. So in order to get the other ones, you can have a very big piece of paper. So you can have all these lines going on there. But we're going to use a different trick. And that is, we're going to put a line here, right through the corners of one of the squares. I'm just fixing this square up here so I can see this nicely. So from this point to that point. because as you might remember from doing all our other perspectives, we now know where the next line has to be. So that one can go there, and then we can do this one. And then the next one will appear again. This is so fun. Oh. And now we have the next one again there. Oh wait, this needs to go all the way this way. And then we have this one here. And our last. Oh, make sure that you keep your ruler on the horizon, on the vanishing point. Okay, let me just fix up this line here. And there you go, we've got a 5 by 5 grid. As you can see, when you come closer to the front, you can see more of the top of the square, and further back it all gets quite squashed up. So now if you want, you can get rid of all these extra lines that we don't need, because they might just confuse you. And the beauty of this grid that you just made is that the heights, you have the heights of things. So say if we wanted to draw a box on here, we know the height of this box, so we could do it this way. So that would be our box. Okay, all right, so the next drawing, we are actually going to use this grid and draw our next assignment on this.